Shooting and fixing Windows 10 update error 0x800f0922 step-by-step guide. In this video, learn how to resolve the common Windows update issue 0x800f0922 on Windows 10. Follow easy to understand steps and solutions to get your system updated smoothly. Don't let update errors disrupt your experience. To fix error 0x800f0922 on Windows 10, Step 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter in Settings, then Update and Security, then Troubleshoot. Step 2. Restart your computer and retry the update. Step 3. Clear the Windows Update cache using command prompt. Step 4. Temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewall. Step 5. Check for malware using Windows Defender. Step 6. Download and install the latest cumulative update manually. Step 7. Use DISM tool. Open command prompt as admin, type DISM, online, clean up image, restore health, and press enter. Step 8. Consider an in-place upgrade using the Windows 10 media creation tool. Step 9. Seek assistance from Microsoft support or community forums if the issue persists.